In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or on Wi-Fi on Android. I'll first show you the quick way, and then I'll show you how to do that in your Android settings. So first, the easy way. Swipe down from the very top. You will then see the Wi-Fi tile. If you don't see the Wi-Fi tile, you might need to tap and swipe down a bit more to see the rest of your tiles. It would be highly unusual if you still don't see the Wi-Fi tile. However, it might be on your second tile page. To see the second tile page, if you have one, swipe from the right to the left, and there we go. I can see further tiles. I'm going to swipe from the left to the right to go back to my other tile page. Currently, you can see my Wi-Fi connection is on. To turn it off, all I need to do is tap on the tile. And then you'll see a toggle next to Wi-Fi on the right-hand side. Simply tap on that toggle, and there we go. You have now turned off your Wi-Fi. Tap on done. Okay, so that's the easy way. I'm just going to swipe up from the very bottom to go back to my Android home screen. To do this in your Android settings, look for your settings app. Mine is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on the settings app. In your settings app, look for network and internet and tap on it. In network and internet, tap on internet. Underneath Wi-Fi, you should see use Wi-Fi. Currently that's toggled off for me. To turn on use Wi-Fi, simply tap on the toggle. In my case, my Wi-Fi connection automatically connected to my usual Wi-Fi network. This is because I have enabled automatic connection for this particular Wi-Fi network. If you don't have that set up, you'll need to choose and connect to your Wi-Fi network. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to turn off or on Wi-Fi on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?